Hi everyone, this is Unit 4, 6th grade, coordinate plane and congruence. This will be about ordered pairs, polygons, symmetry, and congruence. It will be brief explanations, visual models, practice, and answers. Also there are 10 lessons. Homework plus answers and also practice. Okay. First, let's watch a YouTube video.
Guys, Nina just built an app.
Impossible.
Welcome to Math with Mr. J. So this video is going to be an introduction to coordinate planes. We're going to cover some very important vocabulary words and concepts when it comes to coordinate planes. And as you can see on the left-hand side of your screen, we have 6 numbers there, followed by important vocab words and concepts. So that's what we're going to cover in this video. And on the right hand side of your screen, we have a coordinate plane that we're going to use to show examples of these and where these things are on the coordinate plane. So let's jump right into number 1 here, which happens to be coordinate plane. And a coordinate plane is a 2-dimensional surface, so flat, on which we can plot points, lines, curves, etc. Now, here on the right hand side of your screen is an example of coordinate plane. And then number 2 and number 3, this is what our coordinate plane consists of. It consists of an x and a y axis, and it's very important to know the difference between the x and the y axis. So the x axis is the horizontal or side to side axis. So I'm going to come over to the right hand side of your screen and label the x axis. Again, x, side to side or horizontal. Now y axis is the vertical or up and down. So I'll come to the top of your screen here and label that the y axis. So again, x, side to side, y, up and down. Now number 4, we have the origin. And the origin is where everything starts on our coordinate plane when we plot points. We always start at 0, 0 and go from there. So I'm going to put a circle around the origin here, 0, 0. So when we plot points, we always start there at the center and then go side to side and then up or down. And we're going to go through a few examples of those here next for number 5. So for number 5, we have ordered pairs / coordinates. Now, the 2 numbers within the parentheses, so for example this 3 and 5, that's an ordered pair. The 3 is the x coordinate and the 5 is the y. The x always comes first. You always go side to side and then up or down. So let's plot 3, 5. We start at the origin in the center of our coordinate plane and we go over 3 on the x-axis. Now that's a positive 3, so I'm going to underline that there. So we go over 3 and then up to positive 5. Now where those intersect, we plot a point. And I'm going to label that point so we know exactly where we plotted that point. Now the second ordered pair, 6, -7. So again, x always comes first, followed by our y coordinate. So we would start at the origin in the center. We would go over a positive 6. Now this time we're going to go down 7 though, because that's a -7. So over 6, down to -7, plot a point where they intersect. I'm going to label this point as well. And then lastly, we have -7, 9. So again, x always comes first, followed by y. Now this time we're going to go left of 0 because that's a -7. So -7's over here. And then our y is positive, a +9. So we're going to go up. Plot our point, and I'll label -7, 9. So again, always side to side, and then up or down. Lastly, we have quadrants. Now, if you look at your coordinate plane there, you'll notice that we have 4 sections: top right, top left, bottom right. So this 3, 5 right here, this top fourth, this is considered quadrant 1. And I'm going to use Roman numerals here. Now I'm going to jump to the left where -7, 9 is. This is considered quadrant 2. So -7, 9, that point is plotted in quadrant 2. Now we're actually going to go down to the bottom left, and that is quadrant 3. And then we go to the bottom right, and that is quadrant 4. So we actually go around this way when we count out our 4 quadrants. So again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 6, -7, that point is plotted in quadrant 4. So there you have it. There's the basics of coordinate planes and some very important vocabulary words and concepts that we need to know. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.
So it's the unit overview of coordinate plane as the axis, origin, or quadrants, the ordered pairs, locate, graph, and identify distance from axis along lines, polygons, draw and find sidelines, regular polygons equals sides and angles, symmetry, divide figures into congruent halves, congruence, segments, angles, polygons, problem solve, apply geometry. Okay, also locate toolbox. X-axis is the horizontal number line, y-axis is the vertical number line, origin, point 0, 0, quadrant, 1 of 4 regions, ordered pair, x, y location, vertex, it's the corner of a polygon, regular polygon, all sides and angles equal, congruent, same size and shape, line of symmetry, fold line making matching halves. Corresponding is matching parts of figures. Parts of a coordinate plane. Learning goal. I can identify and label the axis, origin, and 4 quadrants. X-axis runs left and right. The y-axis runs up and down. Did they meet at the origin? Is 0, 0. The axis divides the plane into quadrants 1, 2, 3, and 4. This quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remember, quadrants are numbered counterclockwise, beginning in the upper right. Gotta practice with the work with the partner. Explain how you know. Number 1, name the horizontal vertical axis. Number 2, which ordered pair names the origin. Number 3, in which quadrant is x negative and y positive. Number 4, explain how the axis divides the plane. Okay, this is the homework. Number 1, label the x and y axis, origin, and quadrants 1 to 4 on the coordinate plane. Number 2, which quadrant contains points with plus, comma, minus coordinates. Number 3, which coordinate contains points with minus coordinates? Negative coordinates. And then number 4 is 0, 4 in a quadrant plane. Number 5, describe the location of the origin. Answers are on the next slide. Number 1, labels horizontal x-axis, vertical y-axis, origin 0, 0, 1, quadrant 1, upper right, quadrant 2, upper left, quadrant 3, lower left, quadrant 4, lower right. Number 2, quadrant 4. Number 3, quadrant 3. This is number 2. Yeah, quadrant 4, no. Quadrant 4, no. It lies on the y-axis. Number 5, the origin is where the x-axis and y-axis intersect. This is 0, 0. To describe this list, 2 describe locations with ordered pairs. Learning goal, I can describe a point using an ordered pair in a quadrant. Okay, the key idea is that ordered pairs written, comma y. The first coordinate tells the horizontal movement. The second tells the vertical movement. The signs of x and y identify the quadrant. Remember, always say x before y. Cross, then up or down. Number 1, describe point A using ordered pair and quadrant. Number 2, which point has a negative x coordinate and positive y coordinate. Number 3, compare the locations of C and D. Number 4, what does ordered pair 0, y is to be told? Click check, use precise vocabulary, and show your reasoning. Homework. Number 1, describe location of 4, 2. Number 2, describe location of minus 3, 5. Number 3, describe location of minus 2, minus 6. Number 4, describe location of 5, minus 4. Number 5, what is the 0 x coordinate? Homework answers. Number 1, 4 units right, 2 units up, quarter 1. Number 2, 3 units left, and 5 units up, quarter 2. Number 3, 2 units left, and 6 units down, quarter 3. Number 4, 5 units right, 4 units down, quarter 4. Number 5, the point lies on y. Okay, number 3, graph ordered pairs. Learning goal, and graph ordered pairs in all 4 quadrants. Key idea, you have to start the origin, move left or right according to x, then move up or down according to y. Place label on the foot. Remember, positive x, right, negative x, left. Positive y up, negative y down. Move horizontally, then vertical. This practice, number 1, graph A, which is 2, 4. Number 2, graph B, minus 4, 1. Number 3, graph C, minus 2, minus 2. Number 4, graph D, 4, minus 3. This is the homework. Answer for number 1, P's in quadrant 1 and 5, 2. Number 2, Q's in quadrant 2 at minus 2, 4. Number 3, R is in quadrant 3 at minus 5, minus 3. Number 4, S is in quadrant 4 at 3, minus 4. Number 5, T lies on the y-axis at 0, 5. Okay, next lesson is lesson 4. Identify quadrants of graph points. Learning goal, again, identify ordered pairs represented by points in all 4 quadrants. Key idea, from a point, trace vertically from x-axis to read x. Trace horizontally from y-axis to read y. Keep the sign to write the right answer as x, y. Remember to do not reverse the coordinates. Trace each point to both of them. Number 1, name the coordinates of n. Number 2, name the coordinates of n. Number 3, name the coordinates of r. Number 4, name the coordinates of t. Okay, that's the homework. This one was the practice. This one's the homework. Okay. Number 1, points 4 left and 3 left. With origin. Right, it's ordered pair. Number 2, point is 2 right, 5 down. Right, it's ordered pair. Number 3, the point lies on x-axis, 6 units left of the origin. Number 4, the point lies on y-axis, 4 units below the origin. And 5, explain how you read the point from the graph. Homework answers. Check each of the answers. Correct the errors and explain one correction. Number 1 is minus 4, 3. Number 2, 2, minus 5. Number 3, minus 6, 0. Number 4, 0, minus 4. Number 5, trace the x-axis for x, and then to the y-axis for y. Right, x, y. Okay, number 5, learning goal, I can relate coordinates from distance from axis or another point on the same line. Key idea for x, y, the distance from the y-axis is x in those brackets. The distance from x-axis y, also in those things. Points on the same horizontal vertical line can be compared by subtracting their changing coordinates. Remember, distance is always non-negative. X is 4 units from y-axis, y is 3 units from x-axis. Let's practice. Number 1, how far is A? 4 minus 3 from y-axis. Number 2, how far is A from the x-axis? Number 3, find distance between minus 2,5 and 4,5. Number 4, find the distance between 3, minus 4 and 3, 2. Number 1, find the distance from minus 6, 2 to the y-axis. 2, find distance from minus 6, 2 to the x-axis. Number 3, find distance between minus 5, 3 and 2, 3. Number 4, find distance between 4, minus 2 and 4, 5. Number 5, explain why absolute value is useful for distance. Number 1 is 6 units, number 2 is 2 units, number 3 is 7 units. Number 4 is 8 units, number 5 is absolute value, gives the non-negative distance from 0 or between coordinates. Okay, lesson 6. Draw polygons and find tangents. Learning goal, I can draw polygons from vertices and find horizontal or vertical tangents. The idea about the vertices in order to connect them. For horizontal side, subtract x coordinates. For vertical side, subtract y coordinates. Use absolute value for that. Remember, it's the same y coordinate, horizontal side, same x coordinate, vertical side. Number 1, plot A minus 2 is practice, by the way. Plot A minus 2, 3, B 3, 3, C 3, minus 1, D minus 2, minus 1. Number 2, name the polygon. Number 3, find A, B, and B, C. Number 4, find the perimeter. I think you have to use this, I think. Yeah. Homework number 1, draw E minus 4, 2, F 2, 2, G 2, minus 3, H minus 4, minus 3. Number 2, find EF. Number 3, find FG. Number 4, find the perimeter of EFGH. Number 5, coordinates 5 vertices. What are its three? Homework answers. By the way, if you didn't see, check each answer, correct errors, and explain one correction. Yeah, check each answer and correct it. So on the points form a rectangle. Number 2, EF is equal to 2 minus more minus in its bracket 4. By the way, if it's in like these lines things, outside is a positive. It's equal to 16. Number 3, FG is equal to 2 minus 3. It's equal to 5 units. Number 4, perimeter is equal to 2. 6 plus 5 is equal to 22 units. This is number 4. This is number 5. The coordinate is 6 units of 5 units. Lesson 7. Learning goal, I can identify regular polygons by their side and angle properties. The idea a regular polygon has all sizes congruent and all interior angles congruent. Shape with only equal sides or only equal angles is not necessarily regular. Remember, regular requires both equal sides and equal angles. Regular equals all sides equal and all angles. It's the practice. Number one, why is every square regular? Number two, why is every rectangle regular? Number three, is an equilateral triangle regular? Number four, what must be true of a regular pentagon? Okay, this is the homework. This was the homework answers. Number one, equilateral triangle. Two, square. Number three, yes, its sides may all be equal, while its angles are not equal. Number four, yes, its angles are equal, but its sides may not all be equal. And number five, has six equal sides and six equal interior angles. Lesson 8, lines of symmetry. Learning goal, I can draw lines of symmetry that divide regular polygons into congruent points. Key idea, a line of symmetry divides a figure into two matching halves. If the figure is folded along the line, halves coincide. Regular polygons have multiple lines of symmetry. Remember, each symmetry line passes through the center of a regular polygon. A square, a regular hexagon. This is a line of symmetry that creates mirror image halves. Learning goal, I can draw lines in symmetry that divide regular polygons into congruent. Guided practice. Learning goal, I can draw lines in symmetry that divide regular polygons into congruent points. How many lines of symmetry does a square have? Number two, draw one line of symmetry for an equilateral triangle. Number three, how many lines of symmetry does a regular pentagon have? Number four, why are the two halves common? Okay, now this is the homework. How many lines of symmetry does the equilateral triangle have? Number two, how many lines of symmetry does the square have? Number three, how many lines of symmetry does the regular hexagon have? Number four, does a typical scalene triangle have a line of symmetry? Number five, explain how folding can test the line of symmetry. And it's just around the next slide. Also, complete experiment. Show work on graph paper when needed. Number one is 3, number 2 is 4, number 3 is 6, number 4 is no, and number 5, the two halves should match exactly when folded along the coastline. Okay, this is lesson 9. Congruent segments, angles, and polygons. Learning goal, I can determine congruence using length, angle measure, size, and shape. Key idea, congruent segments have equal length. Congruent angles have equal measures. Congruent polygons have same shape and size. Same shape, same size and shape even when turned, flipped, or moved. Remember, orientation does not affect the contour. Practice learning again to determine contours using length, angle measure, size, and shape. Number 1 are 2 7 centimeters segments congruent. Number 2 are angles measuring 55 degrees and 55 degrees congruent. Number 3 can rotated polygons be congruent. Number 4 what information proves 2 squares congruent. Number 1 are segments of 8 lengths 8 cm and 8 cm congruent. Number 2 are angles 70 degrees and 110 degrees congruent. Number 3 are 2 rectangles of 4 by 6 congruent. Number 4 are 3 by 5 rectangle and a 5 by 3 rectangle congruent. Number 5, explain why position does not change congruent. Homework answers: number 1, yes. Number 2, no. Number 3, yes, if both sides 4 and 6. If both have sides 4 and 6. Number 4, yes, one can be rotated to match the other. Number 5, a rigid move, change location and orientation, or size, not size, no. Okay, so it's 10 sides of the polygons are congruent. Learning I can compare corresponding side lengths and angle measures to decide congruence. Key idea: match corresponding vertices in order, then compare every corresponding side angle. If all matching measures are equal, the polygons are congruent. Remember, one matching side or angle is not enough. See here, matching side lengths and angle measures. Congruent. Is to practice number 1, 2 triangles have 3, 4, 5, have sides 3, 4, 5, and 3, 4, 5. What else should you check? Number 2, match corresponding vertices in 2 labeled polygons. Number 3, can 2 shapes have the same perimeter but not be congruent? Number 4, explain a complete congruence argument. Okay, this is the homework. Also complete independently and show work and graph paper when needed. But also, learn a good say I can compare corresponding side lengths and angle measures to start congruent. No, I can compare corresponding side lengths and angle measures. Yeah. Okay. 1 triangle A has sides 4, 4, 6. Triangle B has sides 4, 4, and 6. Are side lengths consistent with congruence? Number 2, a square has side 5. Another square has side 6. Are they congruent? Number 3, 2 rectangles or 3 by 8. Are they congruent? Number 4, 2 quadrilaterals have equal side lengths with different angle measures. Are they congruent? Number 5, state the evidence you need to prove 2 polygons. Answers are next slide. In 1, yes, the side lengths match through angle correspondence information may also be used. Number 2, no, the corresponding sides differ. Number 3, yes, both have same dimensions and right angles. Number 4, no, their shapes differ because corresponding angles don't match. And number 5, all corresponding side lengths and angle measures must match. It's just like being overview. Coordinates, distance, properties, symmetry, congruence. Also, it's learnable. I can connect coordinate plane skills with polygon and congruence reasoning. Oh no, this is the practice. This is the answers. This is the performance task. It's your task. Is your success criteria and the unit reflection. So like I can graph order pairs by I can find distance by regular polygons, 2 polygons congruent one. My next step is learnable. I can explain what I learned and identify next step. This is probably like a harder unit, a bit of harder unit. Okay, guys, thank you. Guys, have any questions? Message the directors, yeah, or you guys can just